You're welcome back. Now, in this video, we'll be moving to the next stage of the results sheet that we are designing by designing the score area where we will input the scores for every student, and we'll also design the affective domain area and the psychomotor area. Let us kickstart now. Now, this one starts from row 20 and ends on row 42. But because in order to have more space, I'm going to start it from 19 to 42. Let us click on that first. 19 to 42. Let's go to our template. This is our result sheet that we are designing. We started from 19, and it will stop on which column now? Let's see it. You stop on column J. Column J. Come to this place from here to J. This is J. Take it down to 42. 42. Yeah, that is it. Let us click the boundary first. Select the boundary. You go to this place. Select all. No, not all. Not for now. Let's select all borders. Now we have this. So from this now, you can begin to now partition the different areas. The first area we're going to partition is the area of the subject. The area of the subject, which is from it will be from 19 to 21 in our own case, because it is 3, 1, 2, 3. 19 to 21 and to stop on B. 19 to 21 and to stop on B. This is 19 to 21 to stop on B. So we merge them as one. We come to this place, merge and center, like that. Now, underneath it, we now have the different results. The different subjects. That is, it will now be from our own, will be from. Okay, we have the Quran is also occupying double space. Let us get that one first. The Quran is occupying double space. These two now, you click on it, then go to merge and center. Match that one. Then the other ones for other subjects. Other subjects will be up to 40. Up to 40, that will be for other subjects. So let us do that one, those ones now. You select these two, merge and center, then align to the left. So that by the time you type your subject, it will align to the left. Now that we have done this one now, let us now you go to this place, click on Format Painter. Escape. Select this, select this one, then Format Painter. So you now come to this place and you click on it, so it will be making them the same. Let us do it again. Select it. So then you're selecting all of them up to 42, I think, up to 41. Up to 41. You're clicking them one after the other. Up to 41. Yes, we have this one now. So let us leave that one for now. So let us look at the template again. Okay, up to 41. Then even 42 will also be there too. So let us go back to there. Just select. Click on this. Yeah, like that. So let us format this other side too. What do we have here? We have our column and our continuous assessment, taking 2, then 3. 3 columns, 2 rows. 2 rows, 3 columns. That is 2 rows, 1, 2, 3 columns. Let us take these 3 together, merge and center. Take these next 3 together, merge and center. Good. Now we have done that. Then the next, what do we have next? Then we have our F1, F2, F3. Those ones are already there. Let us format these two, exam and total. So that is 1, one column and 3 rows. 3 rows like this. Merge and center. This one too. Merge and center. Good. So then what do we have next? We have the remarks. Remarks to be this, everything here, merge and center. Good. So what do we have next? Here, let us, because we don't want this line to be appearing here. Okay, here we have continuous assessment. Is it in capital letter? Let's see. Yes, everything in capital letter. Continuous assessment. Let us reduce the size. So let's see 10. This one too, 10. And all these ones, they should have been in 10. Let us change them to 10. Everything should be in 10. So let's even select everything like this and change it to 10. 10. Good. Even here too. Let's make everything 10. Let's change the fonts. Here too, we make everything 10. Okay. So I have observed we have made a mistake in the design of the columns. Our L here, L is supposed to be 13. And let's check L. 13, that is correct. Then let us look at M. M is supposed to be, what is M? M is 3.71. And we have 13.71 instead. So let us change to 3.71. 3.71. So enter. So that's what we're supposed to have. So you can see now. Now we can adjust this one. Let us change it to 10. 10 is not even working. Let's look at 9. 9 for that one. This is 11. 11, the two. Let us change them to 10. 10. 10. Everything 10. So that's the correction we need to make. So let us now go back to our result. Here we have F1 here. F1. The next one we have M, which is representing midterm. And this one we have F2. F2. So then over here we have exam. Exam, let us write it in capital letter. Exams. And it's going to be horizontally aligned. So you go to this place, click on here, and click vertical alignment from A downward to B. Vertical text, click it like this. Then let us change the size. Let us take 9. 9 is not enough. Let's look at 8. It's still not enough, so let us choose 6. Let's choose 6. Enter. So 6 is okay. This one is total. Then we align it vertically. Come to this place. Click on it. Come to vertical A downwards to B. Click on this one. And we change the text. Let's say we choose 12. I mean 6.2. 6.2 is okay. So let us. And then here we have remarks. Remarks. You can see it is at the bottom. Let us place it in the middle. So you come to this place. You can see this is at the bottom, this is the middle, this is at the top. You click on this one in the middle. So it will go. Oh, no. Okay. Let us do that one first. Select the cell. Then go to this place and click on the middle. You can see it is in the middle. So we have been able to do that. So this one will be subject. And see it is at the bottom, so we select it and click the middle one. this one, so it will go up. So let us select everything and make them bold now. Select all and click on B, so they will be bold. So this is better now. Now let us look at this area. Is there anything to adjust there? Okay, here we have 10. This is 10. This one is maximum obtainable marks. This is 20, and this one is 10. Then this one, exam is 60, over 60. So by the time add everything up, it should give you 100. So this place is 100. Then the remarks, let us match them like this. Go to merge and center, then click on align to the left like this. So you can now click on format painter so that I can do it for all. You double click on it and you click on each of them. Make sure when you want to select this, you have to double click. Let's do it again. You double click twice, then before you begin to select. Otherwise, it may not select what you want. Okay, let's see. Other drawing. Template, what do we have? Up to 38. Do it up to 38. Oh no, up to 40. Yes. Up to 40. It's on 40. Yes. That's good. Now, what do? Let us arrange the bottom. So, this is over 100. So, we have this one. Then this 4 that will be joined together. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Match center. Then this one, match this 3, I think. No, let me see it again. Oh, we match everything up to the end, all the way to the end. From here, all the way to the end, match them together. Okay, then over here, what do we have here? I think we need to match this one too. Let's confirm that. Yes. Okay. Need to match that one too. Match, nothing will be written there actually. So we have this now. So the next thing now is to now input our subjects. I know the first subject is Quran, followed by Arabic, I think. Arabic, Islamic Religious Studies. Or let me just copy everything from here so that we don't elongate the video unnecessary. But in your own case, you know you have to type them one after the other. So just click on this place and paste. So I have all my, let me change the font of this one. Okay, in fact, all this one. Well, everything here will be in that color. So let me just select everything at once and change it to this green. So it will appear in green because I want it in green. Don't forget this line of continuous line between them, we don't want it. So let us click on it so that the continuous will appear as a single sentence. I'll first of all remove border. I'll remove border, no border. You can see no border. Then I'll now click on it again so that, because if you look at it, the boundaries too have been removed and I want the boundaries there. So I'll click on it again. I'll now select boundary, outside boundary like this. So we have it. So the line is not there anymore. So let's see, are we done with this one now? Yes, I think we are done. So we can now list our total maximum obtainable marks and total and maximum obtainable marks. This is total here. Total, the maximum obtainable marks. Let us reduce the size. Let us reduce it to 10. So let us reduce this one to 10. 10 like that. So we have this one. So, and what is the maximum obtainable marks? We have to count each of them, and each subject, this one, let us align it to the left. Align to the left, this one. So each subject is total marks is 100. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 times 100 will be 1,500. So we type 1,500 here. 1,500. Like that. 1,500. So that is what we'll have now. So the total score will be recorded here, and that will be the addition of all these values here. So that is the area for the result sheet. Now let us move now to the affective domain. So affective domain, we have starting from row 16, that's column L, row 16 to 27. Row 16 to 27. That is just below the excellent. 16 to 37. So select it from here up to 27, this 27, and all the way to the Q like this. Then go to this place, select all borders. All borders. So we can now, here we have affective domain. Affective domain. Affective domain. And let us reduce the size to, let's say 9. No, 9 cannot go. Let's say 8. Affective domain, and you bold. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see, confirm. No, it's 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It can go either way anyway. So let us change it to exactly what we have here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So the text there, in order not to waste time and elongate the video, I'll just copy what I have here and paste. So and ensure that when you are doing your own, you make sure the text, you change your text to the size that will be suitable for the available space. This one now is entering this, so let me reduce it a little bit more. Let me use 6. So yeah, so we can now do this. And in this one, when you are doing your results, on the first page you include, because this one you're going to tick the as appropriate. If the student score 5 here, you tick 5 here, and to do that you go to insert. Let us insert the first tick. Now you come to equation and symbol. No, not equation and symbol. Insert. Go to symbol. Let us insert it here. Symbol. Then you look for the tick. Let us look for the tick. Oh, it's here already. Otherwise, if it's not here, you have to, because I've done it before, that's why it is here. But in your own case, you have to search for it. You have to search for it. Let me search for where it is here. I think it is in mathematics. Not here. This one. Let's see. Mathematics operators. Aha, this is it here. So you click on it like this, then you insert. So the first, then you can close. The first one has been done for you. So when you want to do for others, you can just go here, just click Ctrl C. If, for example, if this one scores 3 here, you insert 3. You Control V there. If the next one is, let's say this one is 2, you click on it, then Control V. So you do it until you complete for all the columns. Let me delete this one and leave only one there. So that is that area. Let us now do for the psychomotor. The psychomotor, yeah, it's from still on L, 29 to 35. 29 to 35. Our own will be, okay, let's stop it on 35 too. 29 to 35. 29 to 35. Yeah, like that. So you go back to home, you go to this one and select. You can see all boundaries have been selected here, all borders. So you just click on all borders like that. Then this one will be psychomotor. Let's see. Let me just copy everything there once and for all, so that to reduce the number of people. In your own, you're going to type everything. Control C. Then I'll come to this place and I'll type Control V. So I have everything completed there. So the next thing I want to do is to do the bottom of the result. Bottom of the result. Let's go to the bottom of the result. Leave a space. It will be from 44 to 49. Let us select all of them first and put all boundary 44 to 49. 44 to 49. So like that. So now let's now begin to partition it as appropriate. This one is up to the bottom of the 1500 there for the 2. Okay, this one will come all the way to this place. Go to merge and center, then you come and align to the left. The next one here too. The next line, merge and center, align to the left. Then this one will be up to this place like this, merge and center, align to the left. And this one will be one up to the end, merge and center, align to the left. And this one all the way to the end, merge and center, align to the left. Then for this one, to get to the end, merge and center, and then align to the left. Now for this one, let's see what do we have next. This is class just comment. So select this one too, merge and center, align to the left. And this one will be for the signature of the head teacher, merge and center, and align to the left. And at the back, we have everything, merge and center, then align to the left. Align to the left. Then over here, we have just these two for the merge and center, align to the left. And come here like this, merge and center, align to the left. So we are done with this one now. So let us now put the content. This one is class teachers. Teachers comment. Signature. And this one, head teachers comment. Like that. Then signature here. Signature here. Then over here we have date of resumption. Let me see. resumption date, resumption date, resumption date. Then at the bottom here we now have the keys. The keys, what we have for the keys are F1, M, F2. So keys, F1 represents, let's see, okay, equal to F1 equal to F1 equal to first, is it in capital letter? Let's see. Okay, everything in capital letter. Everything in capital letter. Everything in capital letter. First assessment test. For this one spaces. Then F2. No, M equal to midterm exam. Then the last one is F2. Second assessment test. So let's see. Assessment test. First assessment test. Midterm examination. Midterm examination. Midterm examinations. So now let us make everything bold now. Everything bold, and this color, let's change color to this, then bold. In fact, let us do the same for all this. The color should be green. We have changed the color for everything. Now let us now border the entire result sheet. Entire result sheet. Let us wrap everything in line. So you go to line, not all borders. You select outside borders, outside border like this. So everything is wrapped in. Now let us now put the key to examination scores, the grades, which is this one. Let us put them here. So let me go there. You insert text. You go to insert text box. You put the text box here. Open it wide. Then let us reduce this font size to, let's say, 8 for now. It will most likely still be less than 8. So let us start with grade. Then go down. Now this grade, now let us center it. Put it to center. Aha. Now the first one is excellent. Excellent. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent is from where to where? Excellent is from 80 to 100. 80 to 100. 80 to 100. Let's do one space. No. 80 to 100. Okay. 80 to, let me see it again. 80 to 100. Okay, it's correct. 80, just let's leave a space before the before the 8, like this. 80 to 100, followed by very good, I think. Very good. Then 75 to 79. Very good. 75 to 79. V. Good. We tab. You can see I did tab. Use tab. Then put this hyphen space. Then 75 space hyphen space to 79. 79. Let us reduce the text box area. No, that's too much. Okay. So go to the next one, which is good. Good. We tab it, put space, put hyphen, then space. Good should be from where to where. That is, let me copy this and paste it somewhere. Let me just copy. Oh, I can't copy because it is protected. Let me unprotect it. Come to this place and protect. I'll type in the password. So I can now select it. Let me copy it as it is. Let me copy it, select it like this, and copy. So I'll come to this, let me paste it somewhere here. So that I can just be using it directly like this. So good. Oh, there's something I've missed out. This one is A1. The next one is B2 space. Then this one is B3 space. And B3 is 70 to 74. 70 space hyphen space to 74. Then tab. This one is C4, very satisfactory. C4 space V satisfactory tab hyphen space satisfactory is 60 to 69. 60 to 69. Enter. Then satisfactory C5 space satisfactory tab hyphen space, what is 55 to 59? That is 55 space hyphen space 59. Then enter, and we have C6 space, that is fair tab, then put your hyphen space. Fair is 50 to 54, 50 space hyphen space 54, enter. Then D7 space, that is poor, then tab, put hyphen space, what is our poor? 45 to 49, 45 space hyphen space 49, enter. Then the next one is what? We have done poor, that is E8 very poor, E8 V poor, that's very poor. We tab hyphen space, what's very poor? 40 to 44, 40 space hyphen space 44, yeah, 44. We enter. Next one is fail, F9 space fail tab hyphen tab, that is 1 to 39. I mean space 1 space hyphen space 39, and that will be all. So now let us change the color. You select, when you click on inside, it will be the text. So you click on any side. When you have this cross sign, you click on it. When you click on it, you now go to fill and change the color of the fill. let us choose this one. I think this is it. So that will be it. So now you can move it upward. Either you, as you have selected the boundary, you can just use your arrow upward, or you just, when you see the cross, you can move it the way you want. Move it upward a little. Yeah, it's okay like this. So let us delete this one. Don't need it anymore. Yes. So we have been able to complete the layout of our results. Now this one, we don't need it anymore. Let us delete it. Let's delete them. Yeah. So this is the second video of the result sheet design. We have been able to do our result sheet now. So what it left with now is just the automation. Let us make this one bold. Let's make even this one bold. Yeah. So now, if your intention is to use manual type of result, you can duplicate this video. For example, we can say this sheet is for Anthony Price. Now you have this one, so you can duplicate for all the number of students that you have. If you have it for any number of students, you duplicate it number of times. For example, if you want to use it as manual, meaning you either input manually on the result sheet, you calculate the total, put the total here, then you calculate this one to get the percentage here, then you grade it based on these grades that we have here. You can do that manually and input everything here and input whatever you have here. Then you put all this one, number of times school open, number of times present, and number of times absent. All this one can be done manually. If your intention is to do them manually, you can't go through the rigorous stress of automating the result. Now let us duplicate this one. You right click here like this. You go to move and copy. Then make sure you select create a copy like this. And you want to move it after, this is before sheet Anthony. Or you move it to the end. Because you want it to be on the right side of Anthony. So I click it to move it to the end like this. So it has generated another one. If you click on it, you can see it. This is for Anthony. And the next student we have there is not Anthony. So you click here, you delete the results. Then make the picture. So you click on this page, then go to insert, then picture, select the next student. That is Irene Glenn. You double click on it. That's our picture. Let us resize it. Just let it go a little after 14. Like this. Click it there. That is for Irene Glenn. Then you change the name here. You click here, select this place up to Anthony. Then you click on Glenn, Irene. Glenn, Irene. So that's the students. Then don't forget that you need to change the date of birth for Glenn Irene. And don't forget this is, let's do this one for first term. Let's say it is first term. First term. Let's go back to change for Glenn as well. I think I've made a mistake. This one should have been the, let me copy this, put it here, because it is this one that is Irene Glenn. Okay, let's undo. Just remove this picture. This is not, the second person is Irene, not Anthony. So this is Glenn, Irene, and the first person is actually Anthony. Delete this picture and change it back to Irene and Anthony Price, let's insert his picture back. Anthony, insert, go to picture, then Anthony Price, then resize the picture. When you see this R here, you can change it and resize it somewhere here. Okay, that's for Anthony. Now this one is Irene Glenn. You double click on this part to change it to Glenn Irene. Glenn Irene. Yeah, and the next one is you copy this one again for the third student. Copy and move, select, move it to the end. To the end. You click. See, it has generated it here. And this person is, let us add his own picture or her own picture. You click on this space, insert, picture, and what do we do now? That is Muhammad Sarah. That's a picture. You reduce it until it's around 14. That's row 14. You leave it there. That's okay. So now you change this one back. Double click here and write a name, Muhammad Sarah. So that is that. So we have the result for the 3 students. Now if you want to now do for second term, you have to copy everything again. From here you click on this one, select, create copy to the end like this. You can see it has generated another Anthony, but this time around it is 2. So in order for it to be clearer, you can just delete the 2 and put second term. Second. Yeah, like that. So that will be for second term. Then for this one, the next person, that is Irene, right click, move and copy, create new copy. Okay, that's for A. Let us delete. You shouldn't, I didn't select where you should add it. So let me do it again. That's for Irene, right click, move and copy, create a copy, move to the end. That's what I didn't do for the last one. So you click, it will move it to the end. Now you can now double click on it now. Then you delete the 2 and write second. So we know that that's for second term. Then similarly for Muhammad and Muhammad Sarah, copy and move and copy to the end, create a copy, enter. So this is second term too. So second term. Now we need to do for the third term. For the third term, don't forget, let us start with Anthony Price. Remember, the result for the third term will be different from the second term. Create a copy, move to the end. Move to the end. Now, this time around, you write third term. Anthony Price, third term. So that's third term. So now we need to design the third term because it has to contain some other items. Let us look at our template that we are using. Now let us go to third term for Anthony. This is third term. This is Anthony Price. You can see what we have here. So we're going to add this additional. So we're going to add these 2 additional columns, this one and this one. So let us see, what do we have here? To start from G, from where did it start? This is G, this is where we stop. We're going to add H, I, and leave this one. So we insert between, we add these two here, H and I. So let us go there, back to that place. Let's call it now G. Let us insert it from here. Insert, you right click, let us do it again. You click on H, right click, then go to insert. So it has inserted this G and G, another one there. Again, you go to I again, right click, then go to insert. It has inserted that one there. So now we have our column for, so this one will be third term, second and first. Third, second and first. Let's go back to our work. So instead of having total here, we'll have third here. That will be for third term. Third. This one will be second. So we have to match this one. It has not been matched. Match and center. Then the text vertical like this. Now let us type second, like that. The text has not been, let us, from vertical from top to second, you can see it is not containing it. Let us reduce the size further to 5. It is still not containing it. Let's see 4. Second. So then the last one, let us merge it first, merge and center. Then we put, this one will be first. So now our first is okay. Now after first, now we now have what we call the average. Let us go back. You can see after first we now have average before the remark. We have average before the remark. So let us create another column of this size. We go to J, right click, insert. So now if you look at it now, we can now have, let us merge this one first, merge and center. Then click on it and select text, vertical text, and that will be average. So edit vertical text, and let us increase the size of this one to 8. I even take 9. 9 is okay, like that. So now we have this. Now we need to delete this portion. There's nothing here. Otherwise, by the time we want to print, it will cut out some parts. Let's check this one. Delete. So click on delete. So it is gone. Now let us try to print. There's something I have missed. Before you duplicate, ensure you check the print out. See how it will look like before you duplicate. So that if you need adjustments, you make the adjustment. Let us press Ctrl P. Look at the shape. You can see some parts will be cutting off from this one. So it cannot go like that. We need to make some adjustment. Look at where it is stopping on 5. So we have 4, 3, 2, 1 out of it. So in order to correct that, you go to page layout. Then go to page layout. Click on this one. Then custom margin. So just reduce it. The height, let us reduce it to 0.5. The bottom 0.25, and this one 0.2. This one too. Let's see 0.2. Okay, and you see that's fitting. It cannot fit. Let us now see how it will look like now. You can see we can do everything. We can increase the one by the left a little bit more. Let us increase the one by the left a little bit. Escape. So print margin, custom margin. Let us increase this one to 4.5 and see the output. Yeah, it's still okay. Control P again. Yeah, I think it is better this way. So this is the output. This is how your output will look for the third term. To escape. Now let us now go back to complete the bottom here. Now we have total for third term at the bottom here, the total for second term, total for, so everything, I think everything is intact. There's nothing to adjust there again. Let's see our template. Yes, everything is intact. Those are for the total for first term and total for the average. So let's go back to our work, our project. This one is total for average. These two, match them together. Go back to home, match and center. So this place will be the total for third term, and this one will be total for average. So if you are, what we intend doing is to use our template, the results as manual types of results. You can come to this, print whatever you want to do, write it by filling with pen, or you type the values before you print and do it like that. So that means you do have to do the stress of doing all the calculation to determine all the remarks, the average, first term, and also. But if your intention is to automate it, then you have to meet me in the next video. So this one, let us change it. It will be third term. And don't forget that we need to also duplicate it. Let us duplicate before we end the video. I'll click on this, then take it to the end, yeah, like that. So I'll now change the name back to, the next person should be Glen Irene. And this one will be third term. And don't forget, you have to change the picture and change the name as well. Glen Irene. Then the picture, click on this place, go to insert picture, Glen Irene, insert, then resize the picture to 14, a little above 14, like that. That's Glen Irene. Then this one, now you can duplicate this one for the last person. That is copy and move to the end. Create a copy. So we have it like this now. So let us remove these two. It is third term. So clone the name. It is Muhammad Sarah. So let us change the picture. Click on this place, insert picture, Muhammad Sarah. Yeah, so resize, move it a little bit above row 14, I mean within row 14, like that. So that is all we need to do about the video. So let us check. This place is third term. It's correct. Check this one is third term. This should be second term. Second is correct. So the next one, second, okay. This one should be second as well. So change it. Second. Let's see this next one. It should be first. This should be first term. So it should be first term. And this one too should be first term. first term, and the last one is also first term. So we are done with the design of our results sheet. If you want it in manual, you are done, you are good to go. You can use your result like this. But if you want it automated, meet me in the next video where we start the automation of the results. Thank you very much for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, do like the video, share the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.